Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create tasks in Jira Kanban board. So it's quite easy. Here you can see that this is my Kanban board. So right here I'm gonna create the task. So just here on the board we have the option create at the top bar, and once we click there, here we have this kind of window. So here we need to choose the project. By default they have automatically selected the project, so that's the good thing. Now here in the work type you need to choose whether the issue is task or epic. Since we are creating the task, so that's why we'll select the option task here. Okay, now here you need to give the summary, like what is your task. In my case the task is create folders for videos. Right here you can put description for your task, and the best part is that you can easily make the text bold. Here you can make the text italic, you can change the color, so it's up to you. Whichever changes you want to do here, you can go ahead with that. Now if we scroll, you will see the option assignee. So whom you want to assign this task, you can just enter their name. If you have any specific team for the task, you can just mention them here. In my case I want to assign this task to myself, so that's why I can just select the option assign to me. Then underneath we have the option labels, so you can choose the labels from here. Then you can select the parent for your task, you can set the due date for the task. Similarly you have the option to select the start date. Then here you have option for choose a team, so here you can choose team for this particular task, and rest of the information you can fill as per your need. Now if we scroll up, here you will see the option status, like if the task should be in progress or if the task is done, you can select that from here. In my case the task should be in to-do list, so that's why I selected the option to do. But if your task is in progress, you can select that from here. Once you fill all of the information, you can just click on create, and you will see that the task is successfully created and it would be shown in the to-do list because we have set it the status on to do. And the best part is that whenever you wanna shift the task to in progress, you just need to drag and drop the task in progress, and if we open that again, you will see that the status has changed to in progress from to do. Similarly we can just drag this right here on done. Once the task is completed, you will see that the status also changed. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can create tasks in Kanban board in Jira. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.